Magandang hapon. Ayan. Nasa likod namin yung windmill. Kaya lang daming tao. So, we're still here in Tulip Gardens. Grabe ang lawak. Kaya lang yung mga bulaklak, yung iba nalalanta na kasi paano na. Patapos na yung season. Actually, magsarado na by May 12. May 12, right?
Which one?
This garden will close.
Yeah. Only 2 more days.
Yes.
As you can see, they're all dying.
Yeah. And this one is very old windmill, right?
130 years.
130 years.
It's moving.
It's moving now. Because of the wind. Or it's generator. It's moving. Looks nice. Daming tao. Oh, ayan. It's moving. It's moving because of the wind or how?
No, it's a windmill.
For sure. So where we're going
the
next?
most photographed windmill in the Netherlands.
All right. So where are we going next? Oh, my hair! It hurts. Daming tao. So far. Oh, yeah.
It's a windmill. I'll check out.
Oh, the big shoes. Habibi, your feet in there. Daming tao.
I saw someone who was walking in his shoes before.
Oh, you would like to buy some souvenirs? This one, no, for Mamsi. Artificials. No, it's fine.
Wood or something.
For sure. Alright, pasok muna kami sa souvenir shop. Bye-bye.